Number 9. The given word problem is the height of an object which is moving vertically is given by the function s equals f of t equals negative 16t squared plus 64t plus 64, where s is in feet and t is in seconds. First is A. Find the ball's initial velocity. B. In how many seconds will the ball reach the maximum height? Find the maximum height. For our given, we have s of t equals negative 16t squared plus 64t plus 64, wherein s is equals to height in feet and t is equals to time in seconds. For our first solution and finding A, initial velocity. So velocity is the derivative of the height function, meaning v of t is equals to s of t. Then differentiate the problem. V of t equals d over dt. Open and close parenthesis, negative 16t squared plus 64t plus 64. Then we try to derive the numbers, which led to v of t equals to negative 32t plus 64. Then we have a conclusion that the initial velocity occurs at t equals 0. By that, we substitute t as 0. V of 0 is equals to negative 32, open and close parenthesis, 0 plus 64. Then we conclude that the initial velocity is equals to 64 feet per second. If we try to find B, time to reach maximum height. So in order to find the maximum height, it only occurs when velocity is equals to 0. We have the numbers negative 32t plus 64 equals to 0. Then we move the 64 to the other side, which will lead to 32t equals 64. Then divide the numbers by 32, which will then become the answer t equals 2. The ball reaches maximum height at 2 seconds. Find the maximum height, we substitute the time when the ball reaches its highest point into the height function. Since the ball reaches its highest point at 2 seconds, we replace t equals 2 in the function s of t equals negative 16t squared plus 64t plus 64. After calculating, we get 128. This means the ball rises until it reaches 128 feet, which is the highest point before it starts falling back down. Therefore, the maximum height of the ball is 128 feet. Final answers are A. Initial velocity is equals to 64 feet per second. B. Time to reach maximum height is equals to 2 seconds. Then C. Maximum height is equals to 128 feet.